I'm Sean Ganner, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about systems of two equations. We're going to solve each system by substitution. So, if I was given the system 4x minus y equals 20 and negative 2x minus 2y equals 10. Well, from there, what I want to do is I want to get a variable isolated. I think that's easier in my first equation. So I'm going to rewrite my first equation here, but I'm going to subtract a 4x on both sides. So I have negative y equals negative 4x plus 20. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. I subtracted a 4x on both sides. From there, I divided by negative 1 to both sides to get y by itself to be, well, distribute the negative 1, positive 4x minus 20. So I have y equals 4x minus 20, and I'm going to plug that in to the y of my second equation. So this one's coming down now. Negative 2x minus 2 times, which my y is, I'm plugging right here, right? 4x minus 20, and that's equal to 10. From there, I need to distribute the negative 2 across. So we have negative 2x right here. Negative 2 times a 4x is a negative 8x, and negative 2 times a negative 20 is a positive 40 equals 10. Let's combine. Negative 2x minus 8x is a negative 10x. And if I subtract a 40 to both sides, okay, I'm left with 10 minus 40 is negative 30. Divide by negative 10 to both sides, and I have x equals a positive 3. So we have x equaling a positive 3 right here. I have to pick one of my other equations to substitute it back in. Let's go to the first equation. So 4x minus y equals 20. I'm going to plug 3 in for the x. Okay, 4 times 3 minus y equals 20. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus y equals 20. I'm going to subtract 12 to both sides to get y by itself. So negative y here. 20 minus 12 is a positive 8. Divided by negative y, not a negative 8. Negative y right there to both sides. And I have y, or sorry, negative 1. Not a y. What am I doing? Ugh. And of course it doesn't erase well. Divide both sides by a negative 1 to get rid of that negative. And I have y equals 8 divided by negative 1, which is a negative 8. So our final answer here, combining these two to be a coordinate point, is 3 comma negative 8. So let's recap. We're given our two equations here. We need to solve by substitution. I took my first equation and rewrote it by subtracting 4x to both sides and then divided by negative 1, which I failed to do right there. From there, I got y equals 4x minus 20. I substituted that y value into the y of my second equation right there. So I have negative 2x minus 2 times the 4x minus 20, and that's equal to 10. Simplified, distributed the minus 2, and then I subtracted 40 to both sides and then combined what was left over. I had negative 10x equals negative 30. Divided by negative 10 to both sides, and got x equals 3. From there, I plugged that into my first equation. Okay, 3 for x, 4 times 3 is 12. Subtracted 12 to both sides, got an 8. Divided by negative 1, so gloriously there. To get y by itself, to be y equals a negative 8. I have my x and y values, so I can write my coordinate point of 3 comma negative 8, which is my final answer, which we got by solving the system of equations by substitution.